Some people were up there were figuring it out. Scott's in the red, Regan in the blue. Going for 7th and 8th place.